Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ruth RATHOR. We are here at York. I'm going to show you today this place. I'm with my family today. We just here for a few hours. They're from Middlesbrough. We just came here. We asked them to join us here in New York. So we start here first in Botham Bar. This is behind me here. Can you see the three statues at the top? So from left to right, the stone mason holding a model of the bar. The second one is the 14th century mayor of York, Nicholas Langton, and a knight carrying a sword and shield. This gateway has stood on the site of Botham Bar for nearly 2,000 years. It was referred to in the 12th century as Baram de Botham, meaning bar at the booth. Behind me is the York Minster. Guys, since the 7th century, the Minster has been at the center of Christianity in the north of England and today remains a thriving church rooted in the daily offering of worship and prayer. So the Minster was built for the glory of God. Because we didn't plan ahead of time to come to New York, we don't have the ticket to go inside. Every aspect of this ancient building, from the exquisite handcrafted stone through to the unrivaled collection of medieval stained glass, tells the story of Jesus Christ. So guys, these streets are part of Shambles. Shambles is one of York's most famous landmarks and one of the best preserved medieval shopping streets in Europe. So, and it is believed as well that it's been an inspiration behind Diagon Alley from the movie Harry Potter series. So this is the place. So we are only here for a couple of hours, and I think maybe 2-3 hours is not enough visiting York. So I think we have to come back here again because we only took video of the Minster and the Botham Bar and part of other Shambles streets. So yeah, we have to come back here because this is a really beautiful place. So if you are watching people from York or people around in UK, comment down below where's the best place to visit York, and we will take a video for that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon again. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so next time if we have new videos, you are always updated. Thank you so much. Bye.